Although they are known as being solitary creatures, cats are also capable of forging strong social bonds, whether in nature or as part of a family. Growing up with a cat can be very fulfilling for children and encourages social skills. Excited about their new family member, children can sometimes feel a bit overbearing to your cat. Be sure to channel your children's enthusiasm by telling them about their new friend's needs. While it may seem natural to your child to share a snack with their new best friend, let them know that human foods, such as chocolate, are toxic to cats. They also need to respect your cat's rhythms and need for long naps. Forcing a cat to be social could trigger a defensive response. Keep an eye on both of them when they're together, especially at first. Children can be tempted to play in ways that may be painful to your cat, for instance, grabbing her tail, which could cause irreversible internal injuries. It's always a good idea to empower your child by entrusting her with special chores, which you can monitor at first. Playing, gently stroking or brushing your cat are all positive ways of interacting that empower children and develop a sense of responsibility while forging strong bonds. With a little time and patience, your child and your cat will soon develop a special relationship.